right, we're about, I'd say 10 minutes away from firing up Miss Amy here and backing her out, getting her out of the way. Because once I'm done with Amy, I gotta take care of Hazel. All right, Miss Amy, fire in the hole. We're gonna fire you up. I'm gonna move you outside. Hooray. Okay, so back here on Amy, I had her up and running. I primed the bowls. She's running good. Go to blip the throttle. Stalls out. Okay, weird. Get her fired up, get her running. High idle still because the choke's on. Good to go. She sputters out and dies. So I take the hose off here for the fuel inlet and has a lot of back pressure. So I pop that off. It blows fuel everywhere, of course. So I pulled the carburetor off, turned it upside down, and the brown gook came out.
You gotta be kidding me.
So I'm taking the top off right now. I'm gonna try to just clean it as fast as we can because this car's gotta be running and I gotta get this other car done today too. So if I don't go home till midnight, I don't go home till midnight. But whatever. It's typical around here. I will be here last and I will still magically not get a paycheck when everybody else does. So that's exactly how it is. Ew, Scotty. Not right now. So, pull the top off the carb. Because I was trying to figure out why the hell the accelerator pump wasn't working over at Tom's. This is why I hate the rubber schnubbers as opposed to the old school leather ones. That thing is blown the F out. Of course that's not going to pump. It can't. Because it was off the thing and stuck. Cute. That was easy. Just a little take the top off and away we go. I love it when Amy wants to be a good girl for me. God, she looks so much better.